Hi everyone, it's Gladys, and today, or should I say tonight, I'm going to be doing a room tour of a ground level standard room at the Grand Wailea Waldorf Resort in Maui, and I'm actually celebrating my honeymoon, so it's an extra special room tour. So you walk in and there's a long hallway here. Well, it's wide enough to where I can stretch out my arms. I'll touch the walls, but it's still wide enough. And you have these sliding mirror, or excuse me, they're not sliding. They're swinging mirror doors. And this bathroom is so spacious. So you have your toilet room right over here to the right. Very clean, very just open. It just looks fantastic. So stand-up shower, tub, one sink, large lighted mirror, and let's just head back over here. So right when you walked in on your other side, you'll have your closet, which is very wide with your safe in there. Lots of hangers, so that's real nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys just got married yesterday. Oh, here's a little wet bar area with coffee, complimentary coffee and tea. Let's see what's down here. Nice. Oh, there's our mini fridge. Perfect. I wonder if it's stocked. It is not stocked, so that's great. You can load it up with your own items. I, for some reason, kind of lost my voice, so I sound a little raspy. So let's keep walking into the main area. So, wow, large screen television, drawers right underneath, little desk area right over there, and woo, lovely bed. I walked in, I'm like, they did not know how to fold the bed. I'm like, oh no, wait, it's like a wave. It's on purpose. So that's really cool. So super huge room. Let's walk right out here. There's a balcony. So we are on the ground level. So what that means is the lobby is located on the 4th level of the hotel. So we had to actually go lower, and we have direct access. It's really dark, but we have direct access to the pool. You can kind of see the jacuzzi like right over there. So we can just walk right over there. That's like a 5-second walk. Larger pool is right over there through the trees. Oh my gosh, it's dark, I know, but I'll try to take another video with some light. But there's the lobby up there. Oh my gosh, just tiki torches everywhere. And I'll walk out into the grass, but as you can see, like, everyone has a balcony here. So all rooms have balconies. That's real nice. But if you're on the ground level, then you have your patio, direct grounds access. That's fantastic. So here we go. Just a little quick panoramic of the room. We did get 2 queen beds. It was just kind of, we just checked in late, so that was the only issue, but that's all right. More space. Yeah, and so this is our room. This is the Grand Wailea Waldorf Astoria Resort Hotel here in Maui, and it's a beautiful room, beautiful grounds, lobby. Everything is just wonderful. So if you get a chance to come out to Maui, highly recommend it so far. Bye.